Alright guys, so I don't know how I'm starting this vlog, but if I'm starting with the stuff about New York, I went on a tour this morning that I told you guys about, I think. And I was running really late. I was supposed to meet 15 minutes before my tour. I don't know if you can hear me, but that didn't happen, so I actually had to run and then start the tour immediately. But we are here at the Rockefeller Center. It's considered like the first mall in America. We just took a bathroom break. I think this is like the only public restroom that you can use. And then we're gonna head over to, we're gonna head somewhere, but it's just watch the show. Alright guys, so we're almost done with our tour. We're kind of over halfway. We went through, as you saw, we went through we started in Times Square, we went through the Diamond District. We ended up going to the Rockefeller Center. We saw a cathedral, I forgot what it's called. We went through the famous, is it the 5th Saks Avenue, one of those, and then ended up going to see the Empire State Building, passed by the New York Library, then we went to the Grand Central Station, and then from there we ended up at the Bowling Green, which is like the first national park for the US, I guess. And so now we are, I'm so hungry and I'm confused. I'm always confused, but now we're at lunch. So everyone went off to their own little destination. And I was trying to figure out what would be a really cool place to eat at, and I literally stumbled upon this underground restaurant called Ferry's. It's super cute in here. It's giving me like England vibes, like the leather seats, and it's kind of like very, very fancy. Like you can tell, like the food is expensive here, and they place like these brownies They're kind of dry, they're not too chocolatey, and they have this sauce, and it's really, really good. And I think it has nuts in it, but it's really good. And I'm just sitting here chilling. I ordered a steak and cheese sandwich, which I think is pretty popular over here and has really good reviews. But yeah, so far it's been good. I wish I had more time because this tour is kind of giving you a glimpse of things to visit. So I would 100% come to New York, and I would love for my friends to come to New York and experience not just Manhattan, because there's 5 boroughs overall. I would love to see Queens and Brooklyn and Staten Island and go to all these places. So I'm so sorry. I literally have like 30 minutes to eat, and then from there we're gonna go take a ferry to see the Statue of Liberty, and then come back, and then end up going to the 9/11 Memorial, which I already saw last night. But you know, just to get some, of course, like more information about that, and that's when our tour ends. And so depending on what time we get back, I have to run back to the hotel, get my luggage, and then find out how I can take the train, I guess, to LaGuardia. I gotta go to the airport and then head home. So I will say it has, like, this tour has made me love New York more, and just seeing all these amazing places, and I definitely need to come back. So I am gonna stop talking to myself because there's a lady over there just staring at me. But I'm just gonna eat, and then we will continue the tour. Thanks. Alright guys, I just finished my lunch. It was okay. It wasn't like amazing. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, there was some taste that just didn't sit well with me. I'm gonna go the long way around because I need to digest before we continue, but I mean, it was alright. It's, as far as the aesthetics, like if you're going there to get like Instagram pictures and get a drink, like I would definitely recommend it, but I want to go there again. I'm trying to see if my wig is exposing me. I can't say that I won't go there again because I only had one meal. I haven't had the other things on the menu, but I saw that their steak and cheese sandwich is pretty popular, so I tried it. I mean, it was okay. It was alright. The cheese was just tasted funny, so. But yeah, other than that, it was okay. Hello. Yep, and I see a couple of people from our tour group that are here. Hello. And they're hanging out and stuff, so this place is really cute. Oh, insomnia cookies. So insomnia cookies are like, they're supposed to be like super popular. I'm gonna go and try it. I'll be right back because, yeah, I'll be right back.
Ryan Little.
guys. I am actually just closed the tour a little early. I went to the 9/11 memorial yesterday, and I didn't realize the tour was actually going to run a lot longer than I had planned. So I am currently at the subway station by the memorial, and I'm rushing to catch a train. I gotta go back all the way to the hotel, and then from there I have to go to the airport. I thought I could go to the airport via the subway, but I can't, so I have to catch an Uber, and Lord knows how long that's gonna be. So I will talk to you guys later.
Ryan Little.
Japan.